Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Hyundai. Any Hyundai guys. It doesn't matter if it's Sonata, Santa Fe, if you have a Tucson, Elantra, Accent, Veloster guys, whatever it is guys. If you have engine light on and any of the codes such as code P0120, 121, 123, 122 or 124, stay with us, we will explain most likely what causes any of these 5 codes. Now, it could be multiple things, so make sure to stay until the end. Also, we'll share which computer we use for diagnostics, because many of you constantly ask us that in the comment section below, and that computer is amazing due to the fact that you can work on every single computer on your Hyundai. For instance, that Hyundai Sonata has 17 computers that you can access. So, let's go ahead and explain what we need to do now to fix that problem. Now, before we start, let me tell you guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything. Another thing, why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else, guys, if you need to buy a new camshaft position sensor, any of the tools, parts that we use in our videos, check out, guys, the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get all the tools and parts that you need for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Specifically, guys, this is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata, but what's so cool about Hyundai is that they almost reuse their things in all the cars that you can think of. That Hyundai Sonata engine has been used in Hyundai Santa Fe, Hyundai Tucson, Hyundai Sonata. The smaller displacement has been used in Veloster, Accent, in so many Hyundai vehicles, guys. So all of them practically work about the same, especially that GDI generation. So if you guys have problem, okay, with your Hyundai, okay, the computer that we will recommend, okay, is that scanner right here. Let me turn it on. Okay, this is amazing. Why? Because you can work on almost any car you can think of. Okay, let me go to all vehicles, not just Asian, and you can see even Maserati, Porsche. We've used it. Okay, that's our daily computer, guys. Video is not sponsored, it's purchased by us. But if you want to see where we got it from, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now, number one thing, guys, for these codes, okay, this is your throttle body. Usually it will be located on the intake manifold. We have it removed, okay, right here, but what we'll recommend to do, guys, okay, always check the wiring harness. Make sure that it's plugged all the way in, make sure the wires are not broken, okay, they didn't go in the radiator fan. That can catch them sometimes and cut them, guys, open, and that can cause problems with that throttle body. Now, every time you work on the throttle body, you're super close on your Hyundai to the radiator fan. We recommend to have the car battery disconnected. And on these modern vehicles, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first, guys. If you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the engine computer, every computer in your car, or the electrical system, which could be super expensive. Now, you check the cable, it's good. What else it could be? It could be malfunctioning throttle body. And if you want to see how to test throttle body on Hyundai, we have that video on our channel, how to test throttle body on a Hyundai. Check it out, very helpful video, guys. But very common reason, okay, for that is just having a dirty throttle body. If you have a dirty throttle body, it may be sticking, may not be working correctly, and as a result, okay, that can cause that. You can see we clean half of it here, the other one is dirty. If you want to see how to clean throttle body on Hyundai, we have the video as well on our channel that can save you so much trouble. But those are the most common things that can cause these codes. Also, if that doesn't fix the problem, in some cases, okay, on your Hyundai, it could be the throttle accelerator pedal right there. Okay, it's it's electronics as well, and we have a video how to test it to make sure that it's working correctly. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching us. See you guys next time.